Hi, what's up? Did your 2-year-old suddenly become more independent and maybe even a bit resistant to your minority language? What if I told you that this challenging phase could actually become the most exciting part of your bilingual journey? I'm Bill, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your minority language activities into irresistible fun that your toddler don't want to miss.
Welcome to episode 3 of our Minority Language Success series, where we're focusing on ages 2 to 3, a critical period where making your minority language engaging becomes your secret weapon. Chapter 1: Understanding your 2-year-old's language development. At this age, your child is experiencing an explosion in vocabulary and starting to form simple sentences. They're also developing a stronger sense of self and independence, which can sometimes lead to resistance. Your toddler now understands that different languages exist and might start showing preferences. This is completely normal and actually presents us with unique opportunities. Chapter 2: The Power of Play-Based Language Learning. The key to success during this period is embedding your minority language into play. Research shows that toddlers learn best when they're having fun and don't even realize they're learning. Create themed playstations around your home where only the minority language is used. Think of a pretend kitchen, a doctor's corner, or a mini store. These become natural language immersion zones. Chapter 3: Making language physical and interactive. Movement games are particularly effective at this age. Try Simon Says in your minority language, or create action songs that combine words with physical movements. Use everyday activities like cooking together, gardening, or cleaning as opportunities for language learning. These hands-on experiences create lasting connections between words and actions.
My name is Bill, and I taught children 2 languages for over a decade. My daughter is raised in Thailand, which is the name of this channel. We are all about multilingual learning, and Selena, my daughter, is trilingual, now picking up her 4th language.
Chapter 4: Managing Language Resistance. If your child starts refusing to use the minority language, don't panic. This is a normal phase of asserting independence. Instead of forcing the issue, make the language more appealing through games and positive reinforcement. Chapter 5: Building Social Connections. Start organizing playdates with other children who speak your minority language. Social interaction with peers can be a powerful motivator. Use technology wisely. Short video calls with family members who speak the minority language can create authentic communication needs. Chapter 6: Creative Language Activities. Start a story-making tradition where you create simple tales together in your minority language, using your child's favorite toys as characters. Introduce puppet play. Puppets can become special friends who only speak the minority language, making it natural and fun for your child to respond in kind. Consider creating a language treasure hunt where your toddler can only find hidden treats by following clues in the minority language. Chapter 7: Success Markers and Next Steps. By age 3, look for these positive signs. Your child should be forming simple sentences in the minority language, engaging willingly in language activities, and showing understanding of basic conversations. Remember, progress isn't always linear. Next week, we'll explore ages 3 to 4, focusing on building peer groups and expanding social language use. Until then, keep making language fun, and remember, A laughing child is a learning child.
Want to learn more? Join our podcast for an extended discussion on this topic